Welcome to multigenre notes for your multigenre research project. In some previous lessons, I showed you how to format an MLA research paper. So of course we have the shell that I've already created up here with your title page. I went ahead and made a secondary page that I'll show you what that's for in a moment. And that takes our expository writing piece to page 3 with all the in-text citations and correct formatting. Do not forget that this needs to have at least 10 pages, so if it's not 10 pages from your first expository writing page, you haven't fulfilled the assignment. And then I also have some sections here that I'll cover in a moment. And your bibliography, which we so carefully crafted using Son of Citation Machine. So, as you should know from discussions in class, your multi-genre research project is comprised of different genres that demonstrate different kinds of learning from the person or place that you have selected. You are required to have an expository piece that is at least 3 pages long. That is no debate. It must be in there. But you also have a list of every single thing you can possibly put in here. Remember that you are only allowed to have 2 different visual elements. For this, I put pictures of the person and a map of their journey, and I've been using Martin Luther King as an example. I don't have any actual pictures up yet, but I'm going to show you how you can handle that in a moment. With that being said, one of the things that I know is going to cause some debate and some problems is your table of contents. Once you have all your sections in the order that you're happy with, you'll want to make sure that you do have your table of contents, and it has to be accurate. So your table of contents will be the very last thing you do. There is an excellent tool for you to use in Microsoft Word that will make this process go a lot smoother, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You can make a table of contents, through the use of styles. Up here, there are styles. See that? And right now everything's on normal style, which is not terribly eventful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change some of these styles. So this is a heading, and obviously I'm going to have to recenter it. Do not worry about the correct formatting at this point. We're not worried about it. Pictures, we're going to make sure that poem's on a separate page, and I'm going to turn that one into heading 1. We're going to make sure map's on the right page, and we're going to turn that into a heading 1. So basically I'm taking all of the major sections here and just changing the style and making sure that it's back where it needs to be. Okay? So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different headings by the end of this. You should have probably about 6 or 7 in your multi-genre research project. But they should be changed to a different style. Now, I have this empty page. That's quite on purpose. I'm going to click on this empty page, go to References, and I'm going to Table of Contents over here in the top left-hand corner. And I'm going to choose which one I want. I like the one where it says Table of Contents. And I'm just going to insert it, and there it goes. It comes with the pages. You have the whole table of contents right there for you. Some other things you will want to make note of. If you decide to change the pages, say you're going to go down here and click down and whatever, it will change the page that it's on because it's bound to the style, not any other thing. So I'm going to change this real quick. And it goes way down, but that's fine. Oops. You can click on the table and update the table, and you can update the entire table or just the page numbers, and it will change it for you. Thank you for paying attention to this quick tutorial on your table of contents. I may come back and look at your multi-genre research projects to make sure that you understand that shortly.